Good morning. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to access level 2 data. This being through TD Ameritrade. And it's a whole lot quicker than I actually thought. What is level 2? Level 2 is a generalized term for market data that includes the scope of bid and ask prices for a given security, also called depth of book. Level 2 includes the price book, an order book listing all price levels of quotes submitted to an exchange and each individual quote. Okay, so that's exactly what it is. Yes, for the video, I did start out by displaying something positive about my city winning the series against the Red Sox this weekend. Red Sox is the best in the AL, but my Phillies beat them, so I have to say that. But that's all fun and games, hyping up my city. This video today is actually, I don't want to say sponsored, but the individual that helped educate me on how to access this gave this company a shout out, so I want to include this in the video. This is Flores and Foley Roofing and Sheet Metal Company. Obviously you can see right there, floresandfoley.com. This is a roofing company in Wilmington, North Carolina, Wilmington's most trusted roofer. The reason why I'm doing this is because we can't pretend like we're doing this all on our own. I did not know how to access this, and I asked for help from a person by the name of Renee, awesome person I've learned to respect and trust stock-wise. So as they give me information so I can help learn on my own and help teach other people, I want to give back to them and companies, especially small businesses that they trust in their life. So Flores and Foley Roofing and Sheet Metal Company, you are being put in a good light because of somebody that is trying to help educate others. All right, that being said, let's get into TD Ameritrade, and you'll see this is actually really simple to access. So go to TD Ameritrade, you go to your login. Obviously, I'm going to protect my login information. Just simply sign in. It goes right to your account. And it's really simple, actually. You go right here to my profile, right? You see this right here, my profile? Come down here in subscriptions. Subscriptions here. Now, before I click this, I want to show you what this actually looks like prior to me subscribing to this. Right now, this is normally what I see on TD Ameritrade. One of my favorite stocks right now, KTAX, sure. Hint, hint. But this is what I see right now. I don't see much anything else. You see the normal bid and ask for the next thing that's coming up. Yeah, I hope it goes to 108 and first thing in the morning. But this is just what I see. We want to access a little bit more information. So I'm going to go to here, like we were back here, my profile and subscriptions. Click on here. And then you have all of these. Now, I currently don't have any subscriptions whatsoever, but the first option, real-time NASDAQ level 2 quotes. My price, good thing, free. I always love free. So really all I'm going to do is come here, click, and hit subscribe. And then we're going to see what in the world happens here. Look at this. It tells me all my information, how much I intend on paying, which is 0. Like I said, I love free. So to all those parents out there that says nothing in the world is free, well, this is. I accept. Okay, obviously you want to read the subscriber agreement, but continue. Okay, I have subscribed. All right, we're going to see what that looks like when I log back into here. So what I'll do is I'll come off of this and come back on. Okay, so I logged off and logged back on, and let's see here. This option over here, level 2, since this is now clicked on when it's grayed like this, it is on. Now normally when I didn't have this activated, or whatever you want to call it, I could only see one bid and one ask. But now, as you see, I can see a lot of levels right here. And this is the stock market hasn't opened up yet. It's 9:09 in the morning, but you can actually see the different levels here. You can see, and this is just for KTAX. Obviously, you can go to any other stock. You can see where 108 is, 110, 119. You can see where people want to go up, which is a good sign. And you want to see where people want to go down, but it looks like there's a lot right here at 98. And we want to see who exactly wins. And look at that, at 119, 120,000. So it looks like that's going to be a level that gets stopped if we get there, which I'm perfectly fine with it going to 119 from where it's at right now, but then also at the same time going down. We'll see when the market opens what it can potentially go down to, but this is all part of reading the market right here. Obviously, people will probably have different ways of, oh, look at this. I can just drag this bad boy up. Okay. And start seeing more. Obviously, as the market opens, this is going to fill up on both sides, and I can take a look, still see my chart, still see the buy ask right here, but then look at this. I used to not have this many on here. I used to only be able to see one buy line and sell, but now I get to see multiple levels. Okay, so this is actually level 2 in action. We're looking at the bid and the ask, and this is what's interesting about, and this is why level 2 is very important. You can see over here on this side here on the ask, you can see 225,000, 68,000. Oh wow! And then this 1 million at 105. On the bid side, you see 102, 101, 1 cent. Now, everybody, of course, right here wants to get a lower price, so they're going to try to hold out and get it down to 1 cent and below. And you can actually see like support levels. This would be a good support level for what we have on our board right now at 1 penny. This is going to be a resistance that has to be broken if we're going to go to higher levels, because you can see what's behind this. There is nothing behind this 1 million after 105. If you get past this, okay, then you got a little bit at this 11, and then you have 119. This thing could fly, but you have to get through this 1 million. So this is why level 2 is important to have, because then you get to start reading where your support and your resistance levels lie as you currently trade, and it helps you make better decisions. Right here, you can actually see we're right now in the middle of this. I can start seeing if they're going to chop this down and if it's going to fly even further, or if it's going to break down. Actually, you can start seeing that 1 cent went away and actually moved up to 103 or 104. They're building this at 104 now, which is actually beneficial for the stock price to go up. So this is interesting. I appreciate all the help and support, Renee, and I don't want to make this video too long. There's going to be additions to this as people tell me their setups, but I want to at least get the ball rolling, and help educate where I can. Hope you guys have a great day, and like and subscribe for more videos like this. Put ideas in the comments, and then I will start knocking out videos like this one at a time. Hope you have a great day, and happy trading.